It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management here at 99 Garfield Street, Unit 6, Central Falls, Rhode Island. It's a third floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Newly renovated throughout. Start the video tour when you walk in. Got a coat closet there, open floor plan, the living room and kitchen, brand new vinyl plank flooring, fresh paint, big windows, plenty of natural light, very spacious living area. Got your refrigerator, countertop and cabinet space, granite marble countertops, gas stove. Make our way straight ahead. You got a back entrance there, leads out to shared parking. Bedroom here could fit a queen set. Closet space with built-in shelving. You got the bedroom here, the bathroom here, a shower tub and vanity. I'd like to apply for 99 Garfield Street, Unit 6, Central Falls, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.